Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun coastal winter snowman DIY for you. I picked up 3 of these ship wheel frames from the Dollar Tree. They are from summer, but my store had some left over, and so I thought this would be a fun idea to make a snowman out of the ship wheel. So I'm just removing the backs. I'm also removing the staples because I don't really want it to be a frame. I want it to be an open ship wheel, and I think these are the perfect size to make the snowman. I am doing 3 of them to do all 3 parts of the snowman, and I just paint them white. I'm using an acrylic paint, and my favorite way to paint these thinner items from the Dollar Tree is with a makeup sponge. It works really well. You don't waste a lot of paint. I did go over it with 2 coats because I wanted to be a bright white like snow for a snowman. Now it's just a matter of putting these together. I was trying to determine how I want them stacked. And I decided I want it to be kind of see-through. I don't want to use the backs of these frames, but I'm going to use them as a template to cut down some white burlap. I got this burlap at Walmart, but they do have white burlap at Dollar Tree as well. I thought white would be perfect, so I'm just cutting out 3 circles of the burlap that I can then attach to the back of the frames. That way you'll be able to kind of see through the snowman. It'll have this great fabric texture. And so it's just a matter of gluing those to the back. I'm just going to use hot glue and glue that on all 3 sections of the snowman. It's going to be a really kind of abstract snowman. I don't want to do like a face and a lot of details on there, but I do want to do a few like coastal touches. So they're already really coastal by the fact that they're ship wheels. It's really fun. And then I decided to attach them like this. I'm going to do the middle section on top. So I just put hot glue on those parts of the ship wheel to glue that together. Now, I love using odd items from the Dollar Tree for fabric, and washcloths is one of them. They have this great like minty green color in their washcloths, and this is just from the kitchen section, and I'm going to use that for some fabric here to make a cute little scarf for our snowman. So I'm just cutting down a strip of that to wrap around the neck. And it's kind of long enough to wrap around and do the tail part like that. So I think that will work because you won't be able to really see the back of it anyway. So I just attach it with a little bit of hot glue. Now for the hat, I'm going to use some popsicle sticks. So these are kind of the larger popsicle sticks from Walmart, but you could always use the smaller ones from the Dollar Tree as well. I love crafting with popsicle sticks because they are wood. You can paint and stain them really nicely, and you can cut them with scissors. So that's my favorite. I am going to go ahead and cut down them to size. I did 3 for the top of the hat, and then I'm doing 1 for the brim of the hat. I'm going to put it all together with a little hot glue, gluing those 3 onto the one to make a really cute like little wood slat snowman hat for this. And I wanted to have a little bit of a driftwood effect, so I mixed some antique wax by Waverly with some ivory paint, and then painted it and then distressed it with the antique wax by Waverly to kind of give like a coastal look to the little snowman hat. I just attached that with a little hot glue. I like mine a little bit off to the side like that. I think that's super cute. And now it's just a way of trying to figure out how to make it stand up. I'm using the little mini Jenga blocks from Dollar Tree from the toy aisle, and I'm just gluing those onto 2 of the parts of the ship wheel there, and now it stands up on its own. Super creative. I love this. I think it's so fun, and it's fun for coastal winter. I think that is a fun theme to decorate for winter because I'm from Florida. I don't like winter at all.